This is the way doodles look when they're wet. Kind of mangy and quite a bit smaller. This is just like a kid out and about in nature with her dog. Except you might not realize, ooh, Bear, you're getting everything wet.
Bear.
Where exactly we are. Right here. Under the Lake Street Bridge. Like right there. Through there is Minneapolis. Right there.
We need some sticks.
St. Paul. Ah! More, I gotta keep walking.
Okay, well, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
What does that have to keep walking?
Come on, Bear. Come on, Bear. The good dog. The good dog. Little water on the screen. Okay, all done.
Can you stop filming for just a sec?
I'm not filming.
Please stop filming, Dad.
Okay.
Put it away.
Okay.